Hi, and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at a Liverpool away shirt, and this is a nice retro one of my favourites. And it's a Liverpool away shirt from the 1993-1995 season, and we do have a name set on there of Robbie Fowler. This shirt was purchased from kitmm.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. And it's got a Nike tick on the bag. I can't remember if this was a Nike manufactured shirt or not. Something in my head says it wasn't, but we'll see when we get it out of the bag. I'm sure Liverpool back then, was it Adidas? But yeah, we'll take a look. Flip it over. Oh, it is Adidas. Look at it there. We do have our usual health warnings. So strange that it's come in a Nike bag and not an Adidas one, but hey, that doesn't matter. I will also leave a link in the description for dhgate. For the Liverpool shirts, so if dhgate is your preference, then I will leave that link for you. But as I said, there will also be a kitmm link in the description. So if you are new around here, make sure you subscribe and like this video. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you leave any comments, questions, messages below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. What we'll do now is we'll get this shirt out of the bag and let's have a look at the Liverpool away shirt from the 1993 to 1995 season with a Robbie Fowler name set. Okay, we've got the front of the shirt here. It has just got a standard, nice like V-neck collar. A lot of the retro shirts had these sort of collars, and I do like them. And yeah, here we go, Adidas, not Nike. This is like a velvety texture. Same with the badge actually. Heat pressed on. I say heat press, it's going to be glued on, but it is a velvety texture, which is the same then as the Carlsberg. It feels like it's really nice actually. We have the 3 stripes on one side and the 3 stripes on the other side as well. They're not cut perfectly, but they look good enough. The material, you can see it's got like a shiny glossy look to it, but if I put my hand through it, it is relatively see-through. But I really do like the glisten in there. The green glisten, the white glisten, that looks absolutely lovely. Just put my hand under it. I'm trying to get the light on it so you can see how see-through it is, but to be fair, it's not too bad. It is relatively thick material. Just jumping back to that Carlsberg just to take a proper closer look, and the Liverpool crest again. It feels very nice. There's a full look from the outside. We'll flip it around and we'll take a look at the reverse side, which as I said at the start has got the name set for Robbie Fowler on it. Okay, we're now onto the reverse. Collar line just continues around from the front with the black, the white and this green colour. You've got the glisten that continues through it. The name set is actually different to what I was expecting. So actually only the letters is the vinyl. This bit in the middle is just the shirt. Although the number 23, that there is big chunky vinyl, and then again you've got the see-through bits just there, and you've got Adidas at the bottom. They feel like they've gone on really nicely, no creases or anything. Yeah, it feels lovely and smooth. Oh, I thought there was a tag down there, but it's just where the join is. The black goes into the material there. Oh, actually, there you go. Now if I put my hand under it, maybe you can see it slightly better. See my hand through it. But in all honesty, we've definitely had worse for the see-through ones. And there, look, you can see the tag at the top there. And there, the blue. So if you're wearing something underneath, you probably will see it. But to be honest with you, as I always say, with these retro shirts, where are you going to be able to get a shirt that replicates the shirt from the 1993-95 season in such good condition? You're just not going to get it. And if you do, it's going to be one of these classic football shirts. It's going to have stuff missing from it. You're probably not going to get Adidas or Carlsberg on it. It's going to be different. These ones, for me, do look very, very smart. What we'll do now is we'll flip it inside out and we'll take a look at that as well. Okay, we're on the inside of the shirt now with the front part. That's where the collar line just comes down and joins. And here we have our Adidas. As you can see, the darkness around there, that shows it's been glued. And this one's a different sort. You've still got the darker outer bit, but it's a lighter colour. So it's definitely been glued on. But yeah, slightly different. And actually now, look, if I push in, you can see the name set through it, the number 23. So that shows now how see-through the material is. We have those black stripes, they've all been embroidered in. To be fair, the stitching all looks pretty good on that side. And likewise, the stitching looks good on this side. When you get a top team and they make these replica shirts, the stitching on them is always pretty perfect. It's only when you get some of the lesser known clubs that they seem to kind of rush through it and you don't just get the workmanship on it. But this one looks really nice. A slight bit there, extra cotton, but scissors will soon sort that out. So yeah, nothing to worry about at all. That has gone on very nicely. Absolutely perfect. Take a look at the final part of the inside of the shirt, which is the side with the name set on it now. Okay, we've got our final part of the inside of the shirt now. We do have a tag in there, Adidas equipment, 44 to 46. Likewise on this tag here, which is a standard Adidas. That is a size XL. I always tend to buy XLs for these shirts. I think that I'm going to struggle to hide that out of the way. Yeah. The name set of Fowler. It's gone on well, no creases at all. And the number 23 again, no creases. There are creases from the bag, but nothing to worry about at all. There's no washing instructions tag on here. Was it on this part here? Oh, it's up here. I didn't even notice, to be fair. My recommendation is when you wash these shirts, put them on a hand wash setting and flip them inside out. When you come to drying them, do not tumble dry them. I thought that was a loose bit of cotton then. Yeah, don't tumble dry them. Just let them hang dry, especially when you've got prints on them. That will mean it lasts a good amount of time. I've got shirts that when I first started this channel, two and a half years ago now, that I still wear on a regular basis, and they're as good today as the day that I got them. So if you look after the shirts, they will last a good amount of time. And to be fair, even with the price, if they didn't and you bought another one, it wouldn't matter. But yeah, if you look after them, they will last a very, very good amount of time. But there's the inside of the shirt. We'll flip it around and we'll finish this video. Okay, and there is our Liverpool away shirt for the 1993-1995 season from kitmm.com. All in all, I think this is a lovely shirt. Condition-wise, it is absolutely spot on. A little bit of excess cotton on some of the black stripes on the inside, but apart from that, absolutely perfect. Where else are you going to be able to get an exact copy of the Liverpool shirt from that era in this condition? Nowhere. I really wish the teams would bring out official ones, but while they don't, this is the best that we can get. I will leave it in the description of this video a link to kitmm. I'll also leave a dhgate link for Liverpool shirts. I doubt I'll be able to link it to this one direct, but it'll probably be just the new Liverpool shirts that I'll leave you the link for. So if you are interested, check those out. Also, if you're new around here, make sure you subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you leave any comments, questions or messages below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Delivery timescales from kitmm is usually around 15 days, which is absolutely perfect. But there we have it. There is our Liverpool away shirt from 1993-1995 with the Robbie Fowler name set on it. Really nice retro one. One of my favourites. Stitching perfect, shirt's looking perfect. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.